Now, forewarn weather with ExactTrack 4D radar. Exclusive technology for the most up-to-the-minute weather information in your neighborhood.
We have been seeing sunshine in downtown Detroit. Look at that sun just beaming off the top of the screen there with a bright blue sky. Are we going to say it's calm before the next storm? I mean, are we going to do that?
We're going to do that. Yeah, that's the cliche we're going with today. Yeah, we are. And we're not being eased into anything. You know, one day we've got this beautiful sunshine, and then for part of our viewing area, not all, but for part of it, it's going to be a pretty messy morning commute. So let's talk about, first of all, what time things start to move in and how you'll be impacted. The snow will arrive sometime between 6 and 8 a.m. and it will cause moderate impacts. Between 8 and 10 o'clock, high impacts as that snow continues, especially in our northern counties. So if you live north of, let's draw a line around I-696 and north, you are likely going to get more snow than you are rain. South of it will be more of a mix initially and then quickly changing to rain. I'll break it down for you in a moment. By 4 o'clock, your evening commute, just 24 hours from now, all is said and done. Hard to believe that we're going to have snow in the morning when it's so pretty right now. No signs of any trouble out there at all. Crystal blue skies, 38 in Detroit, 37 in Howell, mid-30s in Lapeer, and 37 in Monroe. So all's quiet right now on ExactTrack 4D radar. If you have evening plans, if you're going out to dinner or celebrating Valentine's Day with your sweetheart, it will be completely fine. It is going to be a little chilly, but definitely dry and no problems on the roads. Different story tomorrow morning. So let's start this at 6 a.m. We start to see the snow move in from the west. It will be all snow, but as we go throughout the morning hours at 7 a.m. becomes more widespread and picks up in intensity by 8, 9 o'clock. Then notice this purple here. That's the rain snow line we talk about quite a bit. If it shifts north or south by even 10, 20 miles, it can be a completely different story for the city of Detroit, because as of right now, it looks like by 9 a.m. it's still snowing there, but if it comes a little to the north, it might mix in with some rain and cut down some of those totals. But definitely Livingston, Oakland, and Macomb counties northward into the thumb will be the most affected before that push of warm air. 11, 12 o'clock, things start to really change over to rain. And look at this, by 3 o'clock, it's all said and done. So here's the storm line again. Between 6 and 8, snow arrives from the west, snow to the north, rain to the south, and rain for everyone tomorrow afternoon. So obviously where it snows longer, you've got the higher totals, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches north of about I-69, and then south of that, an inch or two, maybe as much as 3 in those northern parts of Oakland and Macomb counties. South of it, barely anything at all, maybe an inch or so. Inch or so, not inch or snow. 38 downtown, 36 right now in Pontiac. There's some cold air up to the north, but we're watching this warm air. This is what's going to move in and change that snow over to rain. Behind this system is some cold air, though, to start the weekend. So to recap the forecast for tonight, 29 degrees tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, and areas into the thumb go under a winter weather advisory until 1 p.m. By the afternoon, changes to rain as we hit a high of 41. Future forecast, pretty quiet after that, with a cold day Saturday, though, with highs only in the upper 20s to right around 30. More on this storm for tomorrow coming up tonight at 5.
All right. Thank you, Ken.